Okay, we are done with this models, and next we'll actually create the URL patterns and views for this image compression tool. First of all, let's go ahead and create the URL pattern. Let's go to this AWD main and urls.py. So inside this urls.py, we'll actually include our path to the new app, which is image compression, right? So let's say image hyphen compression, image compression / and we'll say include image underscore compression. This is our app name dot urls. Okay, so anybody who is coming to this image compression path, he will be redirected to this image compression dot urls file. Okay, so remaining stuff we will take care inside the image compression dot urls file. All right, so right now we don't have urls.py inside our image compression app. So let's create a new file and let's say urls.py. Okay, so inside this urls.py, let's first import the path from django.urls, import path. All right, so once the path is imported, next is to create a URL patterns list. URL patterns equal to, we'll say compress. Okay, so compress comma views dot compress comma, let's create a name for this compress. We'll name it as compress only, and this one we need to import from dot import views. Okay, so these are all the very simple steps, and once we are done with this creating the path, next thing we need to do is we need to create a view which is compress. Okay, let's copy this and go to image compression views.py. so here let's create a new function, define compress. It will take a request. Okay, so next return render request comma, we need to load the HTML page for this image compression tool, right? So the template will be like this. So inside the templates folder, we'll have to create a new folder and let's name it as image compression. Okay, image compression. So inside this image compression, let's create a new file and call it as compress.html. All right, so now we have the compress.html, and in this compress.html, let's put one simple text, compress images. Okay, so save this file and next go back to your views.py. Here let's include our template, which is image underscore compression / compress.html. Okay, so we are getting this error, module not found error, no module. Okay, no problem. So we have already created this urls.py inside the image compression app, right? The only thing that we need to do is we just need to stop the server and restart it. Okay, so let's go back and let's go to our path, which is image compression / compress. Okay, so it is working fine. And next, let's quickly connect this image compression page to this compress image tool, right? So let's go to our home.html, and in the home.html we have this compress image. Okay, so this one in here we'll change the href. Let's say curly braces % URL space, the URL pattern name is this one, right? Compress. So let's simply copy that and put it here, save the file. Okay, so go back to this home page and refresh, click on this compress images, and you see it is working. Okay, so once this is done, next thing is to design this compress images page, right? So we'll take care of the designing part in the next one.